In this video, we will show you how to insert and customize polygon shapes. All the ready-made shapes are located in the Shapes section. The icon of the last used shape is visible in the Shapes section. To select the polygon shape, place the mouse cursor on top of the Shapes section and click on the polygon shape. Once the tool is selected, you can customize the polygon options from the Tool Options bar. First, you can define the number of sides and the start angle for the inserted polygon shape. Now you can click and drag to define the position and size of the inserted polygon. Once you release the mouse, the shape is finalized and the tool remains active so that you can add as many polygon shapes as you like. Right-click to release the tool when you're done. You can also adjust the options of the polygon after you have created it. When the inserted polygon shape is selected, you can still edit its options using the Tools Options bar. You can also edit the polygon using the node editor. When starting the node editing mode, you can see that the polygon has only some special nodes. This one can be used to adjust the start angle of the shape. This one can be used to change the size and proportion of the shape as easily as when you designed it. And finally, this node at the center can be used to reposition the polygon shape. If you want to manually edit the shape of the polygon, you need to first convert it into curves. After you have converted it into curves, these special nodes are no longer available.